Eman, where are you going?
Beach, I don't know.
Okay.
Santa Monica.
We're going sa Santa Monica. Malamig.
Malamig ako dito ko na nagustuhan?
Hindi. Kunin mo. Ikaw
Hindi ko makakapag sa dito.
matigas mo din yan. Ayaw na naman.
In the middle of the night, we're gonna go to the pool.
Punta kami ni Boss Eman sa Santa Monica ngayon.
I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel when my mom knows how to make it now.
Okay. Ano magiging topic mo sa YouTube channel mo?
Maybe gaming,
Gaming? Pagdating ng araw, gaming?
or maybe laga. I make 2 channels, a laga one and a gaming one.
Kain tayo ng seafoods mamaya, ha? Ha?
I'm so hungry. Sa taas. Sa Pier. Ayun o.
Santa Monica,
We're
California.
I don't know what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? We would go on the
Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe you.
So
You will
we're
like
gonna be eating on the sea. We're gonna be eating on the seaside,
Yeah, maybe.
and we're gonna be going on the beach, and then when it's nighttime, we're gonna go to the pool in our hotel.
And maybe, yeah. So, Eman and I will go to the beach, no?
Oh, that's a very nice place to eat right there.
So, Eman, look at that.
We're
So,
both very hungry. That's the
let's,
entrance.
Yeah. That's the
Guys.
Santa Monica North entrance.
We might take pictures here.
Yes, of course.
So they're gonna be taking up. They're gonna take a picture, everyone. They're right there.
Okay. So, they are here at Santa Monica Pier North entrance. So we're entering, guys. So dito meron silang mga seaside resto. Okay. Doon, there's a Ferris wheel there. May peryahan dito. There you go. Ang daming tao. Ano mga guys? So we're at Santa Monica Beach. Ano babalikan mo mamaya?
Yung souvenir.
Souvenir, magnets.
Arcade! Everyone, there's an arcade. I want to go there. we missed everything. We missed trips.
What else do you? What else?
I want to have fun and eat instead of just pictures. I would definitely recommend coming here.
It's look at that. I want to take a video.
So
on
much
the-
stuff to do.
What?
So much stuff to do.
So much stuff, yeah.
That really just happened. I'll do it one more time, really slow. I take the ball away, put it in the pocket. Keep one eye on the cup and one eye on the pocket. Did you see it go yet? Bingo. One last time. I take the ball.
Yeah, Big Mac, we eat you like Big Mac. Everyone is so cool. So tough.
That's the harbor. That's the harbor.
I want
Mas mahal dito doon? Saan ang mahal? Sa dulo, sa unahan mura.
Here's the arcade. It's magic.
If you're looking for Ahmet's card, it's in my pocket. I'll keep doing it till they like it. And your name is? If you stare, you'll see it close. Try it out. Can't believe she's trying that. It don't really work. But everybody was watching. If you're looking for Ahmet's card, there, out here.
$5 so saka dito sa labas eh 10 for 3 pieces.
Ganda.
Ito ano?
Ito.
1 for $5. Round 66. Let's go.
Santa Monica. Well, where you paying?
I think that's the $5 bill. Nice and crispy $5 bill.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pacific Park sa Santa Monica, California. Are you recommending, Eman?
I recommend going here.
Okay.
It's very fun.
Uh-huh. You recommend going here?
Yeah, we haven't tried food yet, but this is very good.
Bad. Hindi ka dumudugo ilong mo sa anak mo kaka-English.
Everyone, you should try this. As soon as we find the restaurant, we're gonna be showing you what we will eat.
What we will eat. And you're looking for a seafood, right?
Yeah.
Do you want seafood for supper?
Yup.
Yeah, he wants seafood for supper.
I want lobster.
Huh?
I want lobster.
You want lobster?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, our problem is we can't find a seafood restaurant down here. Or, I think they found it already. They found one. So, now we're going to eat, Eman.
Yeah.
As you wish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You're gonna show them how to eat seafoods, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, the all bright seafood.
Also, it's very beautiful at nighttime.
Oh yes. So ways to wonder and Eman. They're at Santa Monica, California.
This might be where we're gonna eat.
Okay. So seafood. Is this the right one? Seafood resto. Are we going in there?
This is the restaurant we're gonna be eating today.
Yeah, this is the restaurant. So fresh seafood, Eman. Yeah, they have options there too. There. Fresh. So you just it's fresh. Fresh lobster. How can you eat your dinner, Eman? You are already full. You are eating now.
Full? I'm so hungry.
Are these are the options?
Kayo, mas maganda sa labas.
You guys are on outside? Okay, we're going outside.
You know we're already gonna eat everything.
Yeah. So Eman, tell me your story. What would you like to eat tonight?
I don't know.
You told me you want seafood.
Yeah,
Yeah, when we're in the seafood restaurant.
but I don't know which kind.
You don't know which kind. Your papa we're gonna find something interesting for you to eat.
What time is it?
What time is it?
7:30.
It's 7:30.
I don't know. I don't know if we can still swim.
Oh yeah, about that? Yeah, you wanna ask your mom about it. What do you think?
Maybe not.
Maybe not, right?
It's way too late.
Yeah, it's too late already. And then
There's a pool in Las Vegas too. And we have
How about
ample
in
time
Vegas?
tomorrow.
yeah.
You can swim.
Yeah, you can swim in Vegas if you want. Right? What is that anyways?
Cheerio.
Huh?
Cheerio.
A cereal?
Cheerio. Cheerio. It's a Mexican.
Cheerio.
A Cheerio. Sorry, don't know that. I'm not familiar with Mexican food. Are you enjoying your holidays with us, Eman?
Yep.
Good.
I miss school.
Huh?
I miss school.
You miss school.
Kamusta? Busog-lusog? How was it, Eman?
Huh? Oh.
Good.
Good na?
Ubos.
Uy, kasama yung yellow rin. Kasama yung yellow. Kasama yung
Kasama mo.
yellow. Kasama.
So dito ko natatapusin ang aming short vlog dito sa Santa Monica, California. So we did some sightseeing and then of course kumain kami sa isang seafood restaurant and it was a very fun and amazing adventure or no, a trip here, no? So guys, if you're planning to visit the California, you may take consideration naman, no, dito sa Santa Monica, California, especially if you're a beach lover. And then if you guys looking for something to eat like a seafood resto, I know marami naman dyan, pero dito mas okay kasi yung ambience mo nasa gilid ka ng dagat, no? So guys, if you guys like our topic, our trip na minsan aywan na hindi maintindihan, please palike naman and subscribe. Thank you very much.